That's right. All right, all right. ABC Direct Sales, we are back in. So, Zhongguo in Chinese, it says Tokyo or Dongjing. Dongjing is the Chinese character, and in Japanese, it would actually be Tokyo or Tokyo. As we may see, backing it up, this is the prelude. Before we were talking about making sure you understand how to get money when you're going to go straight to money. So the importance of understanding this here at ABC Direct Sales is when you go straight for the fastest way to get money, you are breaking the rules, right? Right? Some people say rules are made to be broken, and they can. I don't agree. I think rules are to be understood, harnessed, mastered, processed, and then you can break them. You don't want to get in the habit of breaking rules, breaking laws, because they'll backfire, or even if you can do it, people around you may start doing it, and it just depends. But if you're in a situation where people start breaking, like a good boxer who may just drop their hands all the time, right? Kind of like Mayfield. He'll like to play around and act a fool and drop his hands, and it works for him because he mastered the technique and the rules and timing and distancing, and he understands who he's fighting. That's why he'll get away with that. Problem is other people around him may think, well, he does it, so I can do it, and then of course it's just not a good thing. So the prelude is, yes, know how to go for the money. Know how to go to any part of the process, even the sign up, like just break out paperwork right from the very beginning and go ahead, just sign here. Right? If someone comes over and I love this house. I mean, this babe, she gives you the eye. Okay, we'll take it. Don't play that salesman that you're trying to figure out why they want it. You might qualify just so you're sure you want, yes. Okay, we'll take it. You probably don't even want to say that. Break out the agreement and let them take it. You don't have to go through all your magic and spiel and your scripts and all this craziness if you got people that are ready to just buy. So know that you must have your process, you should master it, but also know that you can break that process. So again, when you're looking at the money step that we're breaking and just going straight to money, you must understand that yes, we are breaking the rules. We just want to know that money. We might not even try to get them to buy at that moment, but we may have been just so fed up with dealing with people no money that we just want to make sure the first thing is they have money. That could backfire as well. So we'll leave it at that. Keep in mind to follow the process, and if you are going to break the process, like going straight to money, you should be able to be at the level that you can maneuver, you can deal with any objections. Some people just put on the brakes hard, like, money? I don't even know what you're talking about. Like, why are we talking about money? And once you're there, you do not balk, period. So if you gotta save money, and I've done it, 7 minutes in a circle, I mean, that sounds like not a very long time, but it should be like 5 seconds, right? So 7 minutes, and finally, she opened up and told me, complete bankrupt. I mean, the whole nine. I mean, it was sad, and I dug in there. And otherwise, I would have kept going, thinking, because she was playing like she had something somewhere she did not. And so when I had shared with one of my master class mentors, like, man, we stayed, she broke. And he said, she didn't crack. You cracked her. And that stuck with me because she wanted to continue. She wanted to know more about the products and services and different things she could be involved with. And at the end of the day, no matter how great it would have been, and it would have been great, she didn't have any money. She didn't have any credit. She didn't have any money. She could borrow the money. She could pawn. She couldn't get the money. Period. It was done. But we spent time, and maybe later on she came back because she was treated so well, even though she was very uncomfortable digging in, tell the truth, to break down and to say, can I tell you the truth? I'm like, yeah, it's okay, and she was broke, bad, like, she shouldn't even have been on the children's floor. That's how bad she was. So, heed the words, ABC Direct Sales, break the rules. If you mastered them, if you haven't, this video definitely is not for the youngsters in the sense of learning how to do all the tricks if you don't even know the basic steps. So make sure, if you are at that level, to learn the proper ways, and if you're going on process off, you better know that you're doing it. ABC Direct Sales, super hot. You can see I'm sweaty. It's like 8:45 in the a.m. Tokyo in July mid. See you again.